In order to access the macros and macros commands and the VBA and the VBA editor, and to create your own macros and write your own VBA, we do need an extra ribbon that is not activated by default in Excel. That ribbon is the developer ribbon. Now we can activate the developer ribbon in a number of ways. If you right-click an existing ribbon's content and choose Customize the ribbon, it will take you into the Customize ribbon dialog box. We can get to the same place by going to File, Options, Customize ribbon. All you're after is placing this tick against the developer ribbon. So the developer ribbon exists, it's just not turned on by default. So we need the tick in there. OK. And when you come back into Excel, you'll now find you've got a developer ribbon. That's a lot of options. There is a code group to allow us to access the Visual Basic editor, record macros, set macro security, look at add-ins, insert form objects. So we can actually insert controls onto the form that we can then control with our VBA. And we can access properties, run a dialog, and view the code for a particular object. There's even an XML grouping and then a document panel section. So this is the developer ribbon. We will need the developer ribbon on if we are to write our own Visual Basic. Accessing the developer ribbon is through editing the ribbon, so customize the ribbon and a tick in here. You can of course turn that off at any point you like. This ribbon is only affected on the machine you're on. So although you've turned the developer ribbon on here, even if you send somebody an Excel file with a macro in with some VBA inside, their developer ribbon is not activated. They would need to activate it themselves, should they wish to access the VBA and rewrite parts or change it. So that's OK, and we retain our developer ribbon open.